All right, how to make a bed with a duvet cover. Number one, you see how smooth it is? Well, at Island Beach Club, it is not smooth like this. Now, this is how to make it. Number one, you have a fitted deep pocket sheet. Number two, on top of that, you have a straight sheet. Then you have the duvet with the blanket inside of it. And the blanket never is exposed on the top. It's on the side. It's on the other side. So I can't, the opening to the duvet is on the other side of the bed. See, this side is no seam, no duvet. But inside, there is a blanket. And the blanket is open on the side. Next, after the duvet comes another top sheet. And it's folded so that the duvet is here on top, then the sheet, the top sheet, and then the other top sheet, and it's lifted up, and it makes so you do not come in contact with the blanket and the duvet at all. So it's covered, and that's how you make the duvet. And it's pulled in tight all the way around. Did you show her that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. That's the duvet. And what's the name of the company? The name of the company that built.
I don't know. Wait a minute. The sheets.
Can you pause this?